The fuck are you grinning at, asshole?
Hold on. Oh, shit.
Jealous? Jealous of what? Piece of shit Nissan? At least if you're gonna get a fancy sports car, get something better than a Nissan. Fucking jealous. Please. Oh, look at him. 5-pound weight hit his foot. Now he can't walk.
35 pounds.
Please, I've taken more than that to my foot and it was okay. I'm no hater. I'm just making the point that you Castro Valley wussies can't take a little pressure. Shit, I've sat on my own nutsack before. That's a lot of weight on my balls. And you don't see me walking around with crutches.
I don't want to hear you talk about your nutsack.
It's some funky ass we're having. I mean, yesterday, cloudy, thunder, lightning, rainstorm, all that shit. Now, blue skies, and it's hot as hell again. It's like 92 degrees. I mean, look at them blue skies. That's some crazy shit. Just saying. Tuesday night, we grilling, baby. That chicken though. Jealous. Out here barbecuing that chicken. Yeah, boy. So I'm feeling like a fool making that last video about barbecuing chicken, and you know, oh yeah, barbecuing this chicken out here. What? Not even 10 minutes after I stopped that video, ran out of propane. Ain't that about a bitch? Ain't gonna happen again though. I made sure to get me a gauge to keep track of that, to keep track of the propane, how much is in the tank. And I normally check it before I barbecue, and I didn't check it this last time for whatever reason. But damn, ain't that a bitch? Ran out of propane. Yo, definitely go check out El Jefe Reviews. My boy Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
And go check out the video. You'll know what that means. His channel. I just picked up these Anchor Soundbud Curve Bluetooth headphones. I got him off his review, and everything he said, the review was great. Go check out his channel for a review on these Anchor Soundbud Curves and on other great tech stuff. Go check it out. Definitely do it. Now, go. Well, no, not now. Finish my video. Then go. Yeah. It is 6:15 in the morning, just leaving the gym. Got here at 4, a little over 2 hour workout. And I like it. I feel good. I'm heading home. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Crystal. Creamy and butterscotch. Happy birthday to Crystal. We just got done eating that Red Lobster. We hella full. I gotta go home and put my fat pants on.
Wait.
I went to Red Lobster and didn't order lobster.
Wait. Cheddar biscuits is my life now.
Spell
All
the
about
cheddar
the cheddar
biscuit.
biscuits.